Hey guys, Billy and Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today I am heading to Manchester to help get Toon his mini van up to the standard, ready to put the wiring loom in and get it started. Mark and the Thedjse have done a fantastic job of getting the engine in. So now I'm just going to get the exhaust, starter, alternator, oil lines, everything else ready to go and get this car fired up into life. So, as any real road trip starts, early in the morning, I was taking a trip to McDonald's, and now let's get on the road. So, stay tuned, and I will see you guys shortly.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Okay, so I'm now in Manchester with these two lovely people.
We're Mackey's for the burger!
And right, the plan today is to get everything onto the car, or onto the engine at least.
And make it run, and drive it down the street.
Yeah.
And then polish it. And then put it back in the garage and then start another one.
Why is this Gas Monkey garage where they do everything in 30 minutes?
It's Toon's garage, mate.
Toon's garage.
Every time lapse it. So the plan is to get the exhaust, the inlet manifold, the carburetor on, upper engine steady on, alternator. Tony's just doing some bits and pieces and then just drill the big hole in his nice new fresh paintwork. So he can get the cable for the automatic clutch fitted. So that's a necessity rather than a
modification.
Yeah, modification. So
more rolls and a piece of Swiss cheese, this one.
So yeah, there's probably not going to be a lot of talking today. It's probably going to be a lot of action, and we're probably going to have quite a few people turning up throughout the day. So as and when they can introduce themselves.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here.
Or they can introduce me.
Hey guys, William Murfitt here!
So anyway, let's get stuck into this and enjoy the video. Most of the ancillaries in the engine are now done. We've got the headlight on, the bumper on, and the indicators on. This headlight hasn't gone in because I dropped a part of the carburetor onto the wing. And I'm really happy that I've not been killed yet.
No, one of them things. I didn't expect the van to be all put back together without any issues. Unfortunately, that happened. But luckily, because the van's already been sprayed, I know that matching the paint or however they'll repair it will be nice and easy. But easily done. Not the end of the world.
No, so we had a bit of a hiccup with the fan. So the nice metal fan that Tooney bought didn't fit inside the cowling.
Bet Mark Piper's just laughing at me now.
Possibly.
I thought I was being clever with that fan.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I messed up fitting it, and then it doesn't fit in my cowl. So, oh yeah, if anyone wants to buy a nice fan, message me.
So we put the plastic one back on, engine side correctly towards the engine. The radiator's back in. Keith Miller turned up, helped us with quite a few jobs, which was fantastic. The pedal box is in, the clevis pins are in, fit R clips, the brake and clutch master cylinder are all in. The clutch is plumbed in, but not bled up. I've adjusted the tappets. The fuel lines are in, they just need to be Jubilee clipped up. The manifold's obviously on. The Y piece is just placed in place for now because it needs to get some exhaust paste on it. Anything else?
Windscreen washer jets.
Ah yeah.
Did them. We tried to fit the wiper motor, but that didn't work. So I need to get. I don't know what part I actually need for that.
They're the boxes. So the wheel box on the motor. Screw the thread on to hold it onto the scuttle panel, and the actual thread was completely sort of rusted away, isn't it? It's just missing.
Yeah.
It's such a shame, but if it's gonna go to this extent of doing this rebuild, it may as well get new stuff. So the windscreen's not in yet, and the reason is because when the wiring gets done, because there's no lumen ahead at the moment, it can be passed through. Things can be passed through the windscreen, which is fantastic.
See, I'm thinking of you, Steve. If you're watching, Steve.
You better be watching, Steve.
Better be watching, Steve.
Yeah. But yeah, I think that's pretty much as far as we can go to. There's been a few mishaps with parts, unfortunately. That should be rectified, hopefully, pretty easily. And I think we're pretty much ready to pack things up, really, aren't we?
Call it a day. I've been in here since 5:30 this morning, and it is now, what time is it? 5:45.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time's flying, mate.
Time flies by when you're having fun. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below.
And if any of my subscribers are watching, I'm sorry. I didn't get my camera out, but I'll do another video which will have pointed you to this video.
Yeah.
So if you have gone to the video, make sure you subscribe as well while you're there.
Yeah. And yeah, check out Tooney's channel.
Like, share, subscribe, all that kind of business.
And yeah, we're gonna call it a day. It's been too long. So I'll see you later.
Take it easy, guys.
Be seeing you.
Be seeing you.
Oh.